This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a custom navbar in Webflow. We'll start by adding the basic navbar component to your project. It comes with a default structure, including a container, a brand link, and a menu button. To achieve a truly custom look, our first step will be to strip away all of Webflow's default styling. This gives us a clean slate to build our unique navigation from the ground up, ensuring complete design freedom. Now, let's build the core structure of our custom navbar. First, drag a container element inside your navbar component. This helps manage the content's width. Next, add a brand element, which typically holds your logo and links back to your home page. Then, include a menu button for mobile navigation and a nav menu to house all your primary navigation links. This foundational setup provides the essential building blocks for a functional and organized header. With our structure in place, it's time to bring your navbar to life with custom styling. Apply your brand's typography, colors, and spacing to every element, from the background to individual links. Remember to design distinct hover, active, and focus states for your navigation items to enhance user experience. Crucially, optimize your layout and element visibility across different breakpoints, ensuring your custom navbar looks fantastic and functions perfectly on screens of all sizes, from desktop to mobile. Finally, let's add some dynamic flair and prepare for launch. Implement an interaction to smoothly open and close your mobile navigation menu when the menu button is clicked. Consider adding subtle animations for link hovers or menu transitions to elevate the user experience. Before going live, rigorously test your custom navbar on several devices and screen sizes to ensure flawless functionality and appearance. Once satisfied, publish your project and showcase your unique navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.